He collected scrap for food, but his eyes chased the fire trucks.
He watched every drill from outside the fence, training himself in silence.
They played at being heroes while laughing at the boy who needed one.
He remembered losing everything to fire once. This time, he refused.
When no siren came, he became the siren his neighbors needed.
He had no helmet, no hose, just a heartbeat saying go.
The boy who tried to save a life was finally...
He woke inside the place he'd watched through fences his whole life.
They never called him a firefighter, but they trained him like one anyway.
This time, the storm came for someone else, and he was inside the truck. He once drowned in problems alone. Now he walked the rope for others.
The boy once chased sirens from the shadows. Now he was on the wall.
He couldn't erase their poverty, but he could armor them with knowledge.
He began as a child of smoke and sirens. He became their guardian.